Justice Sotomayor?
Counsel, a couple of questions to clarify things. Uncle Bob's Wedding, the child character, wasn't objecting to same-sex marriage. She was objecting to the fact that marriage would take her uncle away from spending more time with her, correct?
Again, it would be, courts would be engaged in religious discrimination.
I'm asking you to answer my question. It wasn't that she was objecting to gay marriage, qua-gay marriage, period. She was objecting to having her uncle's time taken by someone else.
I'm not sure that's correct, Your Honor. I think for a child of that age, it's hard to express what their actual concerns are.
Well, when the character says, he'll have less time for me, it seems self-evident, isn't it?
Your Honor, again, Montgomery County's own principles.
All right, now let's go back to this question of age, okay? And what teachers are saying or not saying. Do you want a special rule for children between kindergarten and 6th grade?
Well, if the court wanted to go there, that certainly would make common sense. Parents everywhere know that children are especially vulnerable.
Where in our case law would you see that as just mere age is coercion, exposure is mere coercion of a certain age?
Well, this court has frequently recognized that, for example, children lack the maturity to make decisions, to discern sometimes between truth and error, to weigh what their parents are saying versus what their teachers are saying.
So if some of this objection, you said you don't have an objection to showing an interracial marriage. You don't have an objection, objection to merely gay couples shown to marrying, as long as you don't have approval of that? Is that what you would object to?
Well, Your Honor, again, it would depend on the individual's beliefs. And this court has already held, for example, in Bob Jones.
So if none of all of the parents, many of the affidavits that the parents put here said they don't mind teaching respect and kindness towards people who are different. The objections appear to be with some of the teacher instructions, the ones having to do with altering the mindset of children, or the ones talking about gender being a guess at birth. Those were the things that I saw the parents objecting to.
The parents object to the books and to the instructions. There's no question that together, and even separately, the books go to indoctrination more than exposure.
We can look to the record for that, correct?
I'm sorry?
We can look to the record.
That's correct.